This might shock you, but after Muslims discovered the Americas, many of the Cherokee indigenous people accepted Islam. In 2004, Harvard graduate and U.S. Ambassador Dr. Crane, who came from a long line of Muslim Cherokees, published a story about this part of his family's history in the American Muslim magazine. Dr. Crane said that many Cherokees practiced Islam for centuries before Columbus entered the Americas. They called out public adhans, prayed 5 times a day, and the women wore a hijab. Their community was disrupted by European colonizers who viewed the Muslim Cherokee natives as a threat. The U.S. government even abolished the religious practices of Cherokees in 1905, imprisoning anyone caught praying Salah in public. Many Cherokees were forced to hide their beliefs to survive, even until about 50 years ago. Unfortunately, more than 100 million natives have been wiped off the planet once the Spaniards arrived in the Americas, because they declared the natives their enemy. Until date, this is one of the biggest acts of cruelty against humanity that has ever taken place, and these practices continue to take place today. And it's up to us to share their story. Tap the like button and share this if you agree. If you want to learn more about how Islam spread amongst the Native Americans, make sure to follow for more.